Are you looking for a job? Are you looking for a job? Yes, I'm looking for a job. No, I already have a job. What kind of job are you looking for? Office. I'm looking for an office job. Remote. Is there any remote job? Do you have work experience? I have a little experience. I have no work experience. CV. I have updated my CV. Where are you looking for jobs? Online. I'm looking online. Is it hard to find a job? It's quite difficult. Interview. Have you had an interview? Not yet. Interview. I have an interview tomorrow. Good luck. Please subscribe to support my channel.